Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about capital gain. When you sell an asset that has increased in value, you get capital gains income. Real estate and stocks are the most common, but there are many others. A capital gain may be short-term, 1 year or less, or long-term, more than 1 year, and must be claimed on income taxes. There are two types of capital gain. A realized gain occurs when an asset is sold for a higher price than it was purchased for, increasing the current assets. A trade is entered into when a stock is purchased, and a new trade is started when a stock is sold. Unrealized gain is a potential profit that exists on paper, resulting from an investment. It is an increase in the value of an asset that has yet to be sold for cash, such as a stock position that has increased in value but still remains open. How hard is to get started? The process to get started is similar to dividend income. The most challenging aspect of capital gain is getting started. The investor must either carefully select the company he wishes to invest in or any other asset he wishes to invest in. Investors will earn a lot of money if this process is done correctly. How hard to make first 1000 rupees from it? How long it takes you to earn your first 1000 rupees depends on the asset you invest in. After selling the asset, the person will receive a monetary profit. For instance, suppose you paid 1,50,000 rupees for an antique watch, and after a year, someone offered you 1,80,000 rupees for it. So, after a year, you have a 30,000 rupees unrealized capital gain. So, in about 15 days, you earn 1,000 rupees. How hard is to maintain? Because capital gain is dependent on the company's financial health, the investor is not responsible for maintenance. An investor's assets may be sold in the event of a loss. Warren Buffett is a prime example of someone who became a billionaire through capital gains. He is an American investor, business tycoon, philanthropist, and the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. He is considered one of the most successful investors in the world and has a net worth of over $100.6 billion as of April 2021. Making him the world's 7th wealthiest person. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates.